What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, savings accounts have got to be the biggest scam in the entire world. Well, technically bank accounts as a whole have to be the biggest scam in the entire world, but that's a fight I'll take on a little bit later on. If you look up the average percentage, the average APY of keeping your money inside of the savings account, it literally says it's 0.06%. And if you've been keeping up with the financial world and all the news that's been coming out recently, they just released the inflation numbers, and the percentage for that is 6.8%. You're literally losing money by holding your money inside of a savings account and a checking account. It's absolutely ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? What if I told you you could earn 20% APY on a stable coin? A stable coin, as in a coin that does not go up or down. You know what I'm saying? A coin that is not volatile. It's not, you're not gonna lose 10% for holding it. You're not gonna gain 10%, but you're still not gonna lose 50% for holding it in the bear market, in the bull market. No matter what it is, it's always gonna be $1. It's a coin that is pegged to the US dollar. One coin will always be worth $1. What if I told you can earn 20% APY just for holding this coin? What would you say? Oh my God, you're saying, please put me on, please show me the way, please show me I got you. That's what we're about to do right now. So smash the like button if you're excited for this. Make sure you subscribe too with the post notifications on, because I'm dropping straight bangers. Straight gems is being dropped very frequently. You're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop them. So smash the like button and hit the post notifications, and let's hop right into this. Before we get into the video, I do have to say I put my Patreon people onto this. I want to say like 2-3 weeks ago, you know what I'm saying, I made a post about it. People have gotten started with it already. I just haven't had the time to do it on YouTube yet, because I've been putting out all these other videos with Wonderland and Metaverse and all these other videos. But today is the day I finally put y'all on to this protocol. But like I said, I did put my Patreon people on. If you guys want to join my Patreon, where I give you guys my buy alerts, my sell alerts, my take profit alerts, you guys want to know whatever I'm thinking when the market's green, when the market's red, sign up for my Patreon. It's the first in the sign description, patreon.com/Joovier's gems. You know what I'm saying? Last week we had a great week. We was getting coins and it was going up 200% in 30 minutes. We had another coin going up 600% in total in 2 days. We had another coin doubling our money in 2 hours. It was absolutely ridiculous. Last week was crazy. I'm not guaranteeing that every week. I'm just saying, we in there eating. You can eat too if you want, just join the Patreon. But of course, I'm still dropping these gems for free. So don't feel like you have to join the Patreon. It's just if you want to take a step further. But now, without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. So boom, Anchor protocol. Last video, when I was talking about Time Wonderland and everything like that, I mentioned there's a protocol that offers you 20% APY for holding stable coins. And all throughout the comments, if you go to it and read the comments, everybody's like, make the video, give us the video, I got you. I'm doing it literally the day after. How does that feel? You ask for something, I give it to you the day after. I'm out here grinding. But listen, Anchor protocol. This is basically what it is. This is the platform that is offering 20% APY. It does fluctuate. It could be 19%, it could be 20%, but it's somewhere in that range percent APY on holding a stable coin. It's on the Luna, well, Terra Luna network. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you get started with it. I'm going to show you guys from point A to point B on buying crypto, transferring it to a wallet that you need. I'm going to show you guys exactly what wallet you need. I'm also going to show you guys exactly how to put it in here and start earning your stable coin crazy high APY. And yeah, so stay tuned towards the end of the video. But now I'm just going to kind of break down exactly what it is. I'm going to go through the website. I'm not going to go too much into the website because I want you guys to actually go and do your own research. And if I give you all the information, you're not going to go do all your research. So do your own research. We're going to go through this, but this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, not a CPA. I'm not a something. I saw somebody comment the other day that was like, I'm a CPA, and you always say you're not a CPA, but I'm a CPA and I'm taking advice from you. So shout out all the CPAs in the chat right now, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not none of that. We're just friends. I'm putting y'all on to what I'm on to. So here we are, anchorprotocol.com. If you come here, it's gonna break down basically exactly what Anchor Protocol is, how they're able to offer all these yields and everything like that. But like I said, I want you guys to go through it for yourself. So Anchor builds better yield. Anchor's yield is stable and attractive, powered by staking returns from multiple proof of stake blockchains. Now, like I said before, this is on stablecoins. They're offering a stable source of passive income, a stable It's higher than a savings account, because savings account is really, well, what most people think of is like 1-2% every single year. This is offering 20%. So technically, if you put in $100,000 in this, you'd be making $20,000 passively, no matter what, on a stable coin, as long as crypto is alive and as long as this protocol is alive. You'd be making an additional $20,000 on top of just holding $100,000 in there. And you can use that money to pay your bills. You can use that money to buy groceries, whatever it is. Honestly, it's your money. But this what makes this super attractive is the fact that the coin that's being staked doesn't move. It's gonna stay the same. The value of it is gonna stay the same. I've made videos about staking Time Wonderland. I've made videos about staking stuff on DeFi farms, DeFi yield farming, all that different type of stuff. But the thing with that is they're offering some crazy high APYs, but the price of the coin that you're staking can also fluctuate, and that could be good or bad. If you're staking, let's say Solana, and you put $100 worth of Solana in there, if the price of Solana goes down, it has to kind of, the percentage that is offering has to offset the amount of the price of Solana going down, if that makes sense. Because you could be getting 1,000% APY on your Solana investment, and every week is paying you out 10%. But if Solana drops down 20%, you're still losing money, if that makes sense. I tried to make that as simple as possible. But Anchor offers easy integrations. Basically, if you're like in developing, this is kind of for that type of stuff. I personally do not know how to develop at all. I've thought about making like an NFT or something and paying somebody to develop it. I don't know. I think it'd be cool to make an NFT. Maybe I'll do that. Let me know if that would be something y'all be interested in. But Anchor offers frictionless access. This is another big selling point of Anchor. There's no minimum amounts. It literally says right here, Anchor Savings has no minimum deposits, account freezers, or sign-up requirements. It can be used by anyone in the world with access to the internet. A thing about this, you don't need to KYC. You don't need to put your social security number in. You don't need to put your address. You don't need to do none of that. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you get into it. It's a very simple process, especially I think I make things pretty simple. So you guys should be able to follow through on the video once I go towards the end of the video with the tutorial. But there's no minimum amounts. You can put $5 in here. I put $3 in one account that I'm actually going to go through with you guys. I have my main account that has more, obviously way more money in it. But I have another account on here that I'm just going to use for kind of demonstrations as I'm going through it. I think I put like $3 in it or something like that. So there's no minimum amount that you have to deposit in there. You can put, like I said, $3, $4, $5. You can put $100,000. You can put $1 million. You can do all this different type of stuff. But that's really all I'm going to go into with the website itself. Obviously, go read their white paper right here. It's not even that long and explains exactly what the protocol is as a whole. It's 10 pages long. It does not take that much time to read. They also have their Discord, and you can also go to their Twitter just to see more of what their community is about. But once we over here go to their dashboard, I actually have it open on Google Chrome. This is their dashboard right here. App.anchorprotocol.com, and this is where you would kind of get started with the process of putting your money in here to start earning that crazy high APY. So that's what we're going to get into right now. All right, so boom, like I said, this is on the Terra Luna network. So you can't use MetaMask, you cannot use Coinbase, you cannot use any of that. You're going to need to get their extension. And what their extension is, if you're coming on the website for the first time, on their homepage here, you obviously see all the different, like the data that they have, the total value locked, which is 7 billion, 300 million, 444,000, which is a lot of freaking money. They also have like total deposits, total borrow, because they do offer borrowing and lending and all the different types of stuff as well. They have the price of the USDT, which I mean UST. Don't get it confused with USDT. This is UST. That's what you're gonna need to kind of put in here. That's the crypto that you're gonna put in here to earn that 20% APY. And like I said, that is a stable coin as of right now. Well, not as of right now, it is a stable coin. But if you're on here for the first time, you're gonna wanna come to this Connect wallet. Most people don't have the wallet that is necessary to use this, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to get it. You're just gonna press Connect wallet and it'll show you the different wallets that you can use. The simplest way is just using this wallet called Terra Station. If I click it right now, it's gonna connect to the wallet since I already have it, but I wanna show you guys exactly how to get it. So you're just gonna come over here to chrome.google.com. You need to be on Google Chrome to have these extensions. You just need to get the extension, what's it called? The extension attached to your Google Chrome. I don't even know why I'm stumbling so hard. But this is what you need, Terra Station. This is the wallet. It kind of works like MetaMask, but this is for the Terra Luna. network, and this is what you're going to need to use for Anchor. So you're going to come here, Terra Station, and you're just going to press add to Chrome. Since I already have it, it says remove to Chrome, but this is the wallet that you need. So once you have it, it's gonna you're gonna have to go to Terra Station. You're gonna open it, and basically what it's gonna do, it's right here. Basically what it's gonna do is going to make you kind of put in your email address or your name or something like that. Then it's also going to give you the secret phrase that you're going to need to keep, because if you lose that secret phrase, or if you give that secret phrase to somebody else, they can take all your freaking money, and that's not fun at all. So make sure you keep that somewhere safe. And you see, as of right now, it has Luna in here and has UST, which is UST. Like I said, that's what we're going to be putting into Anchor Protocol to earn that crazy high APY. And as you see right now, I have one Luna token and also $5 worth of UST. So once you have this, now we need to obviously get the money to this wallet, the money that you're going to want to stake. So a simple way to do it is just coming right on KuCoin, and you can, if you have money in here already, you can use the money that you have in here. But if you don't have money, just come to buy crypto and press fast buy right here, and that usually works. But I went ahead and bought, I think, $50 worth really quickly, just of USDT. You have to be able to separate that. There's USDT, then there's UST. UST is what we need. Right here, USDT, we're gonna convert USDT to this UST. And how we're going to do that, we have to transfer this USDT to our trading account, just like this. We're gonna press confirm. And once it's in our trading account, we're gonna come up here to where it says trade and go to spot trading. Wait for this to load up really quickly. I have to put in my trading password real quick. But then you're gonna come up here and type in UST, and you're gonna wait for it to say, wait for it to come up, USDT to UST. Yeah, I don't know why it's taking, it literally just popped up literally right then. But you would type that in and it will come up, and you're gonna wanna choose the one that says USDT to UST. Then you're gonna come in this corner right here and press market, and then you're gonna choose how much you're going to want to buy. Most of the time, if you're in KuCoin, you just need to, you can either, if you have like Ethereum in your KuCoin or anything like that, you can sell the Ethereum and they'll give you USDT. Then you'll use that USDT to buy UST. So then you're just gonna come over here, and we're going to just buy the max amount that we can. We'll just kind of sell USDT, and instead it will give us UST. So I have $48, we're gonna press sell USDT. We're gonna hear ching sound, just like that. Then we're gonna come right back up here to our assets and click trading account. Since we're in, since the money was in our trading account, because it needs to be in our trading account in order for us to go to trade and spot trading and all that. But in order for us to send it out now, it needs to go back into our main account. So it's very simple to do that. We're just gonna press transfer, trading account to main account, and we're gonna choose the amount, or you could click right here, the available amount, and it'll put the max amount in there. So I'll just press confirm. And now we'll go back to our we'll go back to our main account, and now we see we have 47 UST, which is Terra USD. So then we're going to need to press this withdraw button. And now at this point, we're gonna withdraw it to our Terra Station wallet, the one that I just made you guys download on your Google Chrome. And we're just gonna put the amount that we wanna do down here. I'm gonna press max really quickly, but if you wanna do a certain amount, like only 30 bucks or however much you wanna do, you'll obviously type it in right here, but I'm just gonna press here so it does the max. And in the wallet address, we're just gonna come up here to this little puzzle piece, click Terra Station, and this is your wallet address up here. Don't send it to my wallet address. Somebody actually sent me 2 AVAX like yesterday or something like that, and I had to send it back to them because they was watching one of my videos and scanned my QR code and sent it to me. But do not send me money, because if I'm not able to find the email or the DM that you're using to reach out to send me back your money, I'ma just think God blessed me. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna take our address right here. This is the address. You can press this copy button right here, and I'll copy it to your clipboard. We'll come here and we'll just paste it. And this is our wallet address. And then on network, we're just gonna choose Terra. And we don't have to fill anything else out here. We're just gonna press confirm. And then you're gonna have to just press confirm, withdraw again. And then I'm gonna put all this information in, and it's gonna send it. And then we should have it inside our Terra Station account, well, wallet. And then from there, I'll show you guys the next step. All right, so KuCoin is being mad slow right now. I don't know why it's taking so long to send it to my wallet, but the first time I did try it too, when I first had put a bunch of money into it, it did take a couple of hours, which is very weird. I was kind of scared because I had obviously sent a big load of money, but it did take a couple of hours. So if it does take a long time for you to transfer it from KuCoin to your TerraStation wallet, trust the process, it'll work. Obviously try sending a small amount first. Don't send $100 million, send $5 and make sure you did it right. Then once you receive that money, you can send the rest of it. But if it does take a while, that is, I guess, normal, because sometimes it does take a while for me, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm just gonna go along with the rest of the tutorial so I don't have to wait 3 freaking million hours, because I do have some UST in here, and it's a very simple process after we get the UST inside of our TerraStation. So the next step is to go and press this earn spot right here. As you see, I have $36 deposited in here as of right now. It has a breakdown for you showing exactly how much interest you will get by the end of the year. It says I'll get $7 every single month. I'll get 5 or 58 cents every week. I'll get 13 cents, and every day I'll get 1 penny. So yeah, I'm big baller out here at this point in my life. But this process is very simple. We're just gonna press deposit right here, and then you would just press the max amount. As you see, I have 4.89 that I can deposit in here. It says leaving less UST in your account may lead to insufficient transaction fees. So what it's basically saying is you just have to keep a little bit of UST inside of your account. So I could just switch this to 4 and it would be perfectly fine. So just keep a couple pennies of UST inside of your account. And you're literally just gonna press proceed. Then it's gonna come over here and ask you to confirm it. I have to put my password in here really quickly. We're just gonna press post. After that, it's just going to, you'll see the number right here, 36, jump up to $40.01 once this decides to go through. Okay, boom, just like that. And it is now deposited, and I'm earning 19.4% APY on my investment. A cool feature that it also has here, it shows you like the previous amount of percentages that it was offering the past couple of days or past week. The 14th, which is today, it's offering 19.45. Yesterday, it was offering 19.45. The day after that, the day before that, 19.6. Then the day before that, 1943. So you see it's being pretty stable around this 19% area. It can go up to 20%. It can go down to the lower ranges of 19%, but I haven't seen it anywhere much lower or much higher than any of those ranges. So it is being stable in the APY as well as your stablecoin. Obviously the price of your stablecoin staying stable as well. So that's basically how you do it. It's a very simple process. Hopefully I made it simple. If not, feel free to comment down below any questions you might have. This is honestly for me a great kind of additional source of passive income, and also a kind of a hedge against what people call the bear market. So every time I'm making some profits or every time I get some type of money, I'll take a certain percentage out and put it into my savings account. This is a real savings account that's earning me some real percentages that will actually help fight against inflation and all that. So I'll take some of my profits and put it in here. That's my personal strategy. I'll take some of my earnings as well, just in real life and my other sources of income, and take some of it and put inside here. I want to stock up a good amount where I can be making, it can pay every single one of my bills just through having it, just through the APY that this is offering with my stable coins. So that's kind of my goal. Of course, you could do whatever strategy you want to do, but I just wanted to give you guys this option, show you guys this great actually alternative to a savings account. They also have some pretty good things here as well on the home page. I'm trying to see where it has it. I'm pretty sure, oh, right here. Get insurance coverage. They do offer some options for you to get insured on your different investments or the investments that you hold in here. So that's another cool feature that you can look into as well. But that is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you do leave a like right now. I hope I made everything simple enough so you guys are able to understand it and kind of get into this. Like I said, it's not financial advice. Do your own research on the project beforehand, because like I said, any project, there's no risk-free investment or a risk-free project, because technically anything in the world is not risk-free. You could have a house one day and your house can accidentally burn down because your son wanted to cook some hot Cheetos and that didn't make sense. Who cooks hot Cheetos? You know what I'm saying though. Something can happen. Nothing is ever guaranteed, but this is much better. It's much safer as far as you not have to worry about the coin that you're staking fluctuating up and down. But if you did, like the video, like press the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you want to be closer to me, know when I buy a coin, when I sell a coin, when I'm taking profits, when I'm researching the coin, sign up for my Patreon. First link inside the description, also inside the comments down below. My computer's making a bunch of noises for no freaking reason. We're not going to talk about it. But yeah, good luck on all your trades, good luck on all your crypto, good luck on your relationship, good luck on your test next Thursday night. Good luck on life as a whole. I'm gonna see you on the next video.